holiday, post-holiday, Christmas to New Year's, holiday shopping ideas today on Ham Radio 2.0.
Shut up and sit down.
Hey, welcome back, guys. I hope everyone had a really good holiday season, a good Christmas. I did a live stream yesterday, and I had about 45 people check in and watch it. So I'm like, hey, cool. It was 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, and I wasn't really sure how much response I would get from that, but thank you to those of you who checked in. So this is I'm Jason KC5HWB, and on this channel we do reviews and how-tos of everything that's new in amateur radio. So for the last 4 weeks since Thanksgiving, I've been doing shopping videos for ham radio gear on various websites and where to find what, and good stocking stuffers and good prices on stuff, and that's what today is. So Christmas was yesterday. My see-through can here, there actually is liquid in that. You can't see it. So Christmas was yesterday, and on the stream yesterday, the main I asked people in the super chat what did they get for Christmas, and most people who had got a radio said an FTM 400. It's not a new radio, so I was a little bit surprised by that. It's still a popular radio. As I've said before, I don't really care for those, but I can understand the appeal. They certainly have a nice display. A couple of guys got a new FTM 100. A couple of guys got a new FT3D, so that was fun to see yesterday. If we head over here to rnlelectronics.com today, on December 26th, they have the MFJ 941 Echo 300 watt antenna tuner with a free wall wart included for $139.95 free shipping. That is today only. They have, again, if you've not seen these videos on this channel, they have daily specials on their front page every day that changes every 24 hours. I still do have if we go to kit.co, which is linked in the YouTube description below, I still have my holiday gift ideas for ham operators. These were really good stocking stuffers. Most of them were underneath $100. Most of them, there might have been one or two that were right about the $100 mark. And then I have soda and POTA gear that I added a few things to here recently. Antennas, connectors, heaters, gloves, whatnot. These battery packs here are really cool. I talked about those in a previous episode. I actually got this guy right here, which was on my Amazon wish list. My in-laws purchased this for me for Christmas. I got it on Christmas Eve. It's I don't have it here with me. I should have brought it out here. It's bigger than I expected it to be, because most battery packs are like, yay big, something like that. This one's about probably twice as big, and it's heavy for a battery pack, so it's not nearly as portable as I thought it was. But I mean, if you're going on a hike with a backpack, then no, you wouldn't want to carry this. If you're driving to a Parks on the Air, or if you're driving somewhere, field day, something like that, or going hunting, which I have a hunting lease that I go to regularly, and I take my ham radio stuff with me there. It's great. I mean, because you just put it in your bag with everything else, and then it's a 50,000 milliamp hour battery. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that works. So, and there's food and stuff right here. Great stuff for summits on the air, parks on the air type stuff. DX Mini, of course, their sale ended before... Well, actually, they had a Black Friday sale. I don't think they've had anything up since then. But the new version 2 is out of their dual time slot hotspot. So, working on a video right now. That'll be upcoming on this channel. Open Spot's the big hot ticket item for the last few days. Eric from Ham Radio Concepts and now Bob K6UDA Radio have both done videos on this. I'm working on mine. I've got one right here. Yeah, that's right. I thought it was backwards in the camera. It's not. Internal battery, connects to Wi-Fi, no external antenna, but it does have, it does do DMR to D-Star transcribing, unlike the previous models. So, that's been fun testing that out. So be some videos on that upcoming. Obviously, I don't have the first one on YouTube, but that's okay. Eric and Bob both have great channels. If y'all don't follow them, y'all should go follow them on YouTube. Something I found this morning, Ham Radio Outlet has, if you just go to their main URL, hamradio.com, and then this banner right here that's in red, want more savings, check out our extra holiday deals with unbelievable pricing. Click here. So if we go there and scroll down, it's kind of got everything listed in Alinko, Icom, Kenwood, and Yaesu. There's no Chinese stuff in here, it doesn't look like. But they've got some really good prices on stuff here. Here is an ID 5100, was $399. Now with their super discount deal is only $359. That's about $40 cheaper than it was than the best price I could find at Black Friday, which was only about a month ago. Let's see. The Kenwood TS 480 SAT was $10.99. Now with the discount is $8.39. Less than 10 remaining, it says. And for all of those folks who are interested in the Yaesu products, they don't have the FTM 400 on here. Most likely it's because, or they don't have the FT3D either. Most likely it's because those things are selling really fast. And these items, all of these items on this list right here, a little bit older. Not really old, but a little bit older. And they're probably stuff that doesn't move as quickly. They have an FTM 100, which I personally prefer the 100 over the 400. That's just my opinion. Was $304.95, now is $254.95. $254.95. Okay, $254.95 after Yaesu mail-in rebate. $284.95 out the door at Ham Radio Outlet. $30 mail-in rebate brings it down to $254.95. So that is good. You're probably going to have to pay sales tax with HRO because they've got so many stores nationwide. So that's one drawback to shopping with them. Main trading company outside of Texas, you don't have to pay sales tax. RNL outside of Ohio, you don't have to pay sales tax. But, you know, it is what it is. So that is some quick and easy deals this morning from around the internet. Actually, I did see, let's see. One of my other show sponsors is buy2aradios.com. Let's go back over here. And they have, yes, still time for holiday shopping. Check our current deals right there. They have this brand new Oshang. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Oshang KG805 GMRS or MERS radio. Introductory special. I think that they're $84.95. That's just an information page there. $79.99. Okay. KG805G is the GMRS, and M805M is the MERS. MERS is multiple use radio service, something like that. It's free. It's unlicensed. Nobody needs a license to use MERS frequencies. They're around the 151 megahertz band, and anybody that buys a MERS radio can go out and use it without a license. GMRS, you do have to have a license, but usually GMRS radios includes some shared FRS frequencies, and anybody can use FRS frequencies as well. So depending on what you've got. They've got a two-way basic edition for $64.99, and I guess a non-basic edition for $79.99. Don't know the difference there, but that's if you're looking for GMRS or MERS or equipment to take, out to the hunting lease or to camping, out with the family somewhere. MERS or FRS radios are a good choice to try to keep in touch with everybody. Get $30 off of a TYT MD UV380. Get $20 off the Olympia P234. I'm not familiar with that device. Two-way radio plus 4 watts of transmit power, fully programmable. P234, I'm not familiar with that one. Get $20 off the Ochang UV8 Echo and UV9 Delta limited edition kits. That's cool. That UV8 Echo is still popular. I traded emails with Ochang Waxon, however I say their name wrong, but I don't, like I said, it's spelled with a W, so go figure. Um, I trade emails with them about once a month probably, and they send me new products to review on the channel. You're going to see some new radios upcoming soon reviewed here, and I asked them about the 8 Echo, and I said, do you have a new version of it from the original 8 Echo that was released 2 or 3 years ago, which is on this channel? You can see it. I'll try to link it right here. It's kind of an older video. Had a lot of birdies in it between the bands, a lot of decents in it. Wasn't the most solid tri-band HT I've ever used. And they said, no, we don't have a new version yet. But they kind of made it sound like they were working on one, but I didn't get a clear picture of that. So I told them, I said, well, if you get a new version, I'm interested in reviewing the new version. So I'm not sure what this LE is, limited edition. Maybe that's just the kit, was what Buy Two Way Radios is calling the kit, so that's okay. Free bonus pack offers and Vertex Standard branded accessory blowout. Got some Vertex Standard gear there for those of you who have that brand of radios. So buy2wayradios.com. A couple things in there, especially if you're looking for non-ham radio, GMRS, FRS type equipment, might be a good place for you to stop in there. So that's a quick 10, 12-minute video on what's out there right now. I didn't find anything that was like, oh my gosh, you've got to go get this right now. Now, those prices on HRO are pretty good, but they didn't have the brand new stuff like the FT3D. They didn't have they don't have any of the Chinese stuff like the new Anytone radios. But if you're looking for a 100 or a 70D or an ID51 or a couple of Alenco radios, those were some really great prices out there, especially those ones they said they had only 5 or 10 remaining. So you might check that and see. But 73 guys, thanks for watching. Let me know, put it in the comments below. Let me know what you got for Christmas. Let me know what good deals you're looking for. Where are you looking and what are you looking for? And we'll catch you next time.